If your back hurts when you wake up, maybe aches after simple tasks, or feels stiff by the end of the day, your spine might be telling you something really important. It's not getting the building blocks it needs to repair itself. Most people over 50 are walking around with deficiencies that accelerate disc breakdown and joint inflammation. So I'm breaking down the 8, well, actually 9 supplements that provide the raw materials your back needs. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and here's what you're missing. It's not just that your spine is imbalanced or misaligned. Those actual structures, the discs, cartilage, the connective tissue, they're breaking down faster than your body can repair them. And the reason they can't repair is simple. They don't have the raw materials they need. Think about it like this. If you tried to build a house but didn't have any lumber, no amount of planning or hard work would get that house built. Your spine is the same way. It wants to heal. It's trying to rebuild those cushions between your vertebrae and joints, but it can't do it without the building blocks. So what does it need? Number 1 is glucosamine and chondroitin. Now, these are 2 separate, but because these 2 work together like a construction crew for your cartilage, I'm lumping them into the first one. Glucosamine helps rebuild the cartilage that's worn down, while chondroitin keeps everything lubricated so your joints can actually move smoothly. A study found that people taking 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine and 1,200 milligrams of chondroitin daily had less pain. And this is the key part. Their cartilage stopped breaking down so fast. That's your target dosage. 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine and 1,200 milligrams of chondroitin every day. Next is MSM, which stands for methyl sulfonyl methane, but just remember MSM. So this is huge for inflammation. One study had people take 3 grams twice a day for 12 weeks. By the end, they had significantly less pain and could move better without the side effects you get from prescription anti-inflammatories. Most people do well with 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams daily, though some research has used up to 6 grams. And now we have turmeric, specifically the curcumin in it. Now this stuff has anti-inflammatory power that rivals prescription drugs, but here's the trick to make it work better. You want to take it with black pepper or your body doesn't absorb it very well. You want at least 500 milligrams of curcumin, and studies show anywhere from 500 to 1,500 milligrams daily works pretty well. Look for one that includes black pepper or piperine, or take it with a meal that has some fat in it so your body can absorb it better. Next is fish oil. So these omega-3s do something pretty special. They don't just fight the inflammation, they actually help your body resolve it. Like they help clean up the inflammatory mess and let healing happen. You're looking for 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA. Those are the specific omega-3s that matter, and you want to do that every day. And if you're looking for one without the fish, I provided a link below so you can check that out. Now we have Boswellia. This is frankincense extract, and it's been used for joint pain for centuries. Modern studies back it up too. 250 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams daily reduces pain and improves how well you can physically function. This next one is really important. You might have heard of it. It's vitamin D. And if you're deficient, and so many people over 50 are, your joint pain probably is worse. Studies show that people who kept their vitamin D levels up for over 5 years had less knee pain, less back pain, less overall joint dysfunction. You want at least 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily, though some people need more depending on their levels. That's something worth checking with your doctor. A simple blood test can tell you where you're at. And now we have collagen. Now this is literally what your cartilage and connective tissue are made of. There's a specific type called UC2 that comes from chicken cartilage. And research shows that just 40 milligrams a day improves pain and stiffness. And in some studies, even better than glucosamine and chondroitin by themselves. If you're using other types of collagen, you typically take 2.5 to 15 grams daily, but that UC2 type is powerful at just 40 milligrams. And this last one you might not have heard of, and it's called Yucca root or Yucca root. This is actually the most researched herb for chronic joint pain. It's loaded with vitamin C, which your body needs to make collagen and fight inflammation at the same time. While there's no standard dosage established, Most joint formulas that include it use between 500 and 1,000 milligrams. Now that you have these, I really need you to understand this. This isn't magic. You're not gonna take these one day and wake up tomorrow pain-free. But what you are doing is giving your body the actual nutrients it needs to rebuild the structures that are breaking down. And when you combine this with the right movement and posture strategies, that's when people say they feel like they got years back. But here's the thing, everyone's situation is different. You might need more of certain nutrients based on what's actually going on with your spine. You might have specific deficiencies that need to be addressed first. And really, supplements are just one piece. That's why I offer virtual house calls at no charge. We dig into your specific situation, where your pain is coming from, what your spine needs the most, and provide specific next steps to give you what your body needs, not just some generic protocol. You can schedule this virtual house call with me at no charge. Just click the first link in the description and start to be your own guarantee for your health and your life.